How to remove an admin from Facebook on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an admin from Facebook page on mobile. You will need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook page account. Once you are logged into your Facebook page, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three horizontal bars with the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you find this icon, simply tap on it to open it. And once you reach to this menu page, here tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. By doing so, you will be taken to settings and privacy page. Now in this page, you will need to scroll down and under audience and visibility section, here look for page setup option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. And now inside here you will be able to find the option page access. Here you will be able to see the history or the number of admins that has the access to your Facebook page. Simply tap on this page access option and then here you will be able to see the admins. Once you find the one that you would like to remove from your Facebook page, you will need to tap on the three dots icon at the right side of their name. Once you tap on it, at the bottom you will be able to see the pop-up menu. Here you will need to select the option Remove from Page Now. Simply tap on it and now here you will be prompted to enter your password in order to proceed further for security reasons. Enter the password of your account here and then tap on the continue button right here. Now this person will no longer have the access to your Facebook page. You will be able to see the person has been removed from your page access section here. So this is how you can remove an admin from Facebook page on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.